Poultry farming is a vital part of the global food system, providing a significant source of protein for billions of people. To ensure optimal bird growth, health and egg production, it is crucial to provide them with a balanced and nutritious diet. Among the essential nutrients, energy plays a critical role in poultry nutrition. Energy is required for various physiological functions, including growth, maintenance and egg production. Poultry diets are carefully formulated to meet their energy requirements, and cereal grains form the foundation of these diets. These grains are readily available, digestible, and provide a concentrated source of energy, making them an ideal choice for poultry feed. This essay will explore the primary energy sources used in poultry feed worldwide, highlighting the role of cereal grains, their byproducts, and other regionally available alternatives. The discussion will focus on the specific uses of these energy sources in different geographical regions, including the United States, Brazil, India, Europe, Asia, and Africa. Understanding the diverse range of energy sources and their utilization across different regions is essential for developing sustainable and cost-effective poultry feeding practices. By optimizing feed formulations based on locally available resources, we can ensure the continued growth and efficiency of the global poultry industry. Cereal grains form the cornerstone of poultry diets worldwide, providing the bulk of the energy needed for growth, egg production, and overall health. These grains are rich in carbohydrates, primarily in the form of starch, which is readily digested and utilized by poultry. The most commonly used cereal grains in poultry feed include maize, wheat, and sorghum. These grains are readily available in many parts of the world and are relatively inexpensive compared to other energy sources. The specific types of cereal grains used in poultry feed can vary depending on the region, influenced by factors such as local availability, cost, and traditional feeding practices. In addition to maize, wheat, and sorghum, other grains like barley, oats, and rice are also used in some regions. The choice of cereal grains also depends on the specific requirements of the poultry. For instance, broiler chickens, which are raised for meat, have different energy needs compared to laying hens, which require more calcium for eggshell formation. Maize, also known as corn, is the most widely used cereal grain in poultry feed globally. Its high energy content, palatability, and widespread availability make it a preferred choice for poultry producers worldwide. Maize is particularly well suited for broiler chickens due to its high starch content, which provides the energy required for rapid growth. In the United States, maize is the dominant grain used in poultry feed. The country is the largest producer and exporter of maize globally, making it a readily available and cost-effective energy source for its poultry industry. Brazil, another major poultry producer, also relies heavily on maize in its poultry diets. The country is the second largest producer of maize globally, and its poultry industry benefits from the abundant supply of this energy-rich grain. Maize-based diets are also common in other poultry-producing regions, including Europe, Asia, and Africa. The widespread use of maize in poultry feed reflects its nutritional value and affordability. As the global demand for poultry products continues to grow, maize will likely remain a crucial energy source for the industry. While maize dominates poultry diets globally, wheat and sorghum also play vital roles as energy sources in different regions. Wheat, a staple grain in many parts of the world, is a significant component of poultry feed in regions where it is readily available and cost-effective. In Europe, for example, wheat-based diets are common for poultry. The region is a major wheat producer, and its poultry industry benefits from the availability of this high-quality grain. Wheat is also used in poultry diets in parts of Asia, particularly in countries like India and Pakistan, where it is a significant crop. Sorghum, a drought-tolerant grain, is another important energy source for poultry, particularly in regions with arid and semi-arid climates. In Africa, sorghum is a staple grain and is widely used in poultry feed. Its ability to thrive in harsh conditions makes it a valuable resource for poultry production in regions with limited water availability. The use of wheat and sorghum in poultry feed demonstrates the adaptability of the industry and its ability to utilize locally available resources to meet the nutritional needs of poultry. Section 5. byproducts of cereal grain milling, nutritional powerhouses. The milling process of cereal grains for human consumption generates valuable byproducts that serve as essential components of poultry diets. These byproducts, while often considered waste products, are rich in nutrients and provide a cost-effective source of energy and fiber for poultry. Some of the most common cereal grain milling byproducts used in poultry feed include wheat bran, corn gluten meal, rice bran, and soybean hulls. Wheat bran, the outer layer of the wheat kernel, is an excellent source of fiber, which is essential for digestive health in poultry. Corn gluten meal, a byproduct of cornstarch production, is a highly digestible protein and energy source for poultry. Rice bran, the outer layer of the rice grain, is rich in oil and fiber, providing both energy and digestive benefits. Soybean hulls, the outer covering of soybeans, are a good source of fiber and can be included in poultry diets to add bulk and promote digestive health. These byproducts not only provide nutritional value but also contribute to the sustainability of the poultry industry by reducing waste and utilizing resources efficiently. Section 6. Sugar sources, providing quick energy. While cereal grains form the foundation of poultry diets, sugar sources are sometimes included to provide a quick source of energy. Molasses, a byproduct of sugarcane or sugar beet processing, is a common sugar source used in poultry feed. It is rich in sugars, primarily sucrose, which is easily digestible and provides a readily available energy source for poultry. However, the use of molasses in poultry diets is often limited due to its potential to cause digestive upset if included in large quantities. Additionally, molasses can be sticky and difficult to handle, making it less practical than other energy sources. In some regions, particularly in South Asia, jaggery, a traditional non-centrifugal sugar, is also used as a sugar source in poultry feed. Jaggery is made from the sap of sugarcane or date palm and contains a mixture of sugars along with some minerals and vitamins. While sugar sources can provide a quick energy boost for poultry, their inclusion in diets must be carefully considered to avoid potential digestive issues and ensure overall feed quality. Section 7. Root crops and tubers, regional variations. In various regions worldwide, root crops and tubers play a significant role in poultry diets, particularly as alternative energy sources. These starchy crops, often readily available and affordable locally, provide a valuable source of carbohydrates for poultry. Sweet potatoes, for example, are a good source of energy and are used in poultry diets in regions where they are abundantly grown. Cassava, another starchy root crop, is a staple food in many tropical regions and is also utilized as a poultry feed ingredient. Yams, another starchy tuber, are also included in poultry diets in some parts of the world. The inclusion of root crops and tubers in poultry diets is particularly prevalent in regions with limited access to traditional cereal grains. These alternative energy sources provide a valuable and cost-effective way to meet the nutritional needs of poultry in such regions. Furthermore, using locally available root crops and tubers in poultry feed promotes sustainability by reducing the reliance on imported grains and supporting local agriculture. Section 8. Seeds, fats and oils, additional energy sources. Beyond cereal grains, their byproducts and starchy root crops, several other ingredients contribute to the energy content of poultry diets. Seeds from various fruits and forest crops, often considered waste products, can be valuable additions to poultry feed. Mango seed kernels, for example, are rich in oil and can be incorporated into poultry diets as an energy source. Similarly, tamarind seed, a byproduct of the tamarind fruit, contains a significant amount of starch and can be used as an energy source for poultry. Neem seed, known for its insecticidal properties, can also be included in poultry diets in limited quantities as a potential energy source. Fats and oils are another essential energy source for poultry, particularly for high-performing birds like broiler chickens. These energy-dense ingredients provide more than twice the amount of energy compared to carbohydrates and proteins. Commonly used fats and oils in poultry diets include soybean oil, corn oil, and palm oil. These oils are typically added to poultry feed in small quantities to boost energy content and improve the digestibility of other nutrients. Section 9. Conclusion: utilizing local resources for optimal poultry nutrition. Providing adequate energy is crucial for poultry growth, egg production, and overall health. Cereal grains, particularly maize, wheat and sorghum, form the backbone of poultry diets worldwide, providing a readily available and cost-effective source of energy. However, the global poultry industry relies on a diverse range of energy sources beyond cereal grains, adapting to regional availability and utilizing local resources effectively. Byproducts of cereal grain milling, often considered waste products, offer a valuable and sustainable source of energy and nutrients for poultry. Sugar sources, root crops and tubers, seeds from fruits and forest crops, and fats and oils all contribute to the energy content of poultry diets, reflecting the adaptability and resourcefulness of the industry. The choice of energy sources often depends on regional availability, cost considerations, and specific nutritional requirements. Understanding the diverse array of energy sources used in poultry feed and their regional variations is essential for promoting sustainable and cost-effective poultry production practices. By optimizing feed formulations based on locally available resources, we can ensure the continued growth and efficiency of the global poultry industry while minimizing environmental impact.